You won't believe this, but you can make more than $3,000 a month if you did these 3 tricks. Hey everyone, and welcome to the Good Advisor channel. Today, we're going to dive into the exciting world of AI and how you can leverage it to make money online in 2024. That's right, making money with artificial intelligence. AI is a booming field, and experts predict it will become a $1 trillion market by 2032. People are already using AI for all sorts of things, and making money online with AI is a fantastic opportunity you don't want to miss. Now, there are many ways to get involved with AI, but today, I'm focusing on a specific tool called Rask AI. This software is a game changer for anyone who wants to translate videos. With Rask AI, you can easily translate videos from English to a whole bunch of other languages. Imagine taking a popular English YouTube video and making it accessible to Spanish speakers, French speakers, or viewers in any other language. So, how can you use Rask AI to make money online? Here are 3 ways to get started. Number 1, become a video translator. There are tons of English YouTubers out there who want to reach a wider audience by translating their content. You can find these YouTubers and offer your translation services using Rask AI. Number 2, start your own translation company. If you have a knack for languages and business, you can even build your own translation company using Rask AI. There's a huge demand for video translation these days, and Rask AI can help you deliver high-quality translations efficiently. Number 3, become a Rask AI affiliate. This is a fantastic option if you love promoting cool tech products. Sign up to be a Rask AI affiliate, and you can earn commission for every person who signs up for the software through your link. They even have a program where you can earn $3,000 for referring just 10 people. So, there you have it. 3 exciting ways to make money online using Rask AI and the power of video translation. If you're interested in learning more about making money online and develop your life, hit like and leave a comment. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more valuable tips. See you in the next video.